Here is how to print WhatsApp images from your computer. First, open the WhatsApp on your PC. You can either use the official WhatsApp desktop application or access the WhatsApp web through your browser at web.whatsapp.com. Log into your specific account or link your device if you're using WhatsApp web. Navigate to the chat containing the image you wish to print. Click on the image to open it. To save the image, right-click on it and select Save As and choose a location. Optionally, you can also rename it before clicking Save. Now, once saved, you need to open your File Explorer, find the photo that you just saved, and open the image. Then right-click on the image and select Print. In the print window, select your desired printer. You can also change the orientation, select copies, select paper tray, paper size, photo size, page margins, and the resolution as well. You can also go through more settings and set it according to your preference. After making your adjustment, click on Print and your WhatsApp photo will then be sent to your printer. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.